What is going on, traders? Hope everyone is having a great week. Happy Thanksgiving to all my Americans out there, guys. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the trades we ended up taking yesterday, as well as preparing you guys to trade the best setups at the best prices. So, before we get into today's video, Black Friday is tomorrow. We have the biggest offers we have ever offered in the Daily Sniper community, guys. 50% off monthly subscriptions and 70% off the yearly. If you'd like to take advantage of it, the link is in the bio. Use code Black Friday at checkout. Let's get into today's video. So we had two gaps to fill. 665, 597.53. SPY ended up having two gap close reversals, right? As soon as we opened, we ended up filling the gap from Tuesday. We gapped down, came back up, gap close reversal. The best puts were 600 puts. Bam. And then look where we fell to and look where we bounced. At the bottom gap that we had from Monday's close. Gap close reversal. We gapped down, come back up, rejected, came back down to the gap, ended up bouncing. So we're still opening on Friday pretty flat at the moment. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's it's holding up there. So we're most likely going to open up flat, maybe a little higher into the 600 level. But yeah, guys. So I ended up killing it first thing in the morning, guys. I was sniping puts. I was buying calls, right? And then I was buying calls in this level right here. Ended up having... I got safer contracts. I held through the pain, added a little, was able to get out there barely alive. It's not the trade I anticipated on happening, but I was still correct. I just should have waited for the gap, and that's what happens, guys. You can't win every single trade. That's why you always need to have an entry plan and an exit plan, either to take profits or to stop for a loss. You need to have risk management in control. So moving forward until tomorrow. So SPY ended up closing at 598.83. Let's put this gap down here. 598.83. Okay, so this red line, let me get rid of this one. So the red line is SPY's previous closing price, 598.83. If we end up gapping up above the previous closing price, guys, once we come back down, or at least hold support at 599.34, and we get a bullish confirmation, guys, I'm going to be getting calls to all-time highs. If we end up gapping down and bottoming towards the lows of yesterday, I plan on, with confirmation, getting calls again. We are in a bull market. I'm looking to be buying calls. Now, what is the best levels to be getting for puts, for snipe trades? I'm not talking about market crash. I'm talking about hit a level, make a nice trade, right? First level is going to be 600. We could overshoot it. 600 to 620, 630s is going to be a wicked opportunity to get 600 puts and bring these deep in the money. After that, we gap up really high, 685. I plan to be getting puts up here. And then 601.50, I'm going to try puts as well. I think that they will print every time we make a new high. New high, we have sell-offs, right? We have sell-offs. So SPY right now finally broke cycle. We were making higher highs, higher lows. Yesterday, we ended up putting in a lower high and a lower low. So technically on the daily time frame, SPY is a little bit bearish at the moment. We want to be watching. If we take out the lows of yesterday, SPY has an empty pocket. As soon as we break under 597, guys, 597.30s, empty pocket to 596. So you're looking at $1 full point, 10 points on ES, a full point on SPY downwards, and we probably will take the lows out and go sub 595. So these levels I'm waiting for. We break beneath 597.30s, I'm going to be getting puts, right? Pretty much 597.53 Monday's close, previous closing price. Again, all my key levels, how do I make them? I teach my students how I make them. Another way I make them is every previous closing price I end up making into a key level because it's a previous resistance. So we keep these on our charts at all times. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to be live streaming tomorrow. Tomorrow's a short day, guys. Stock market closes at 1 p.m. Eastern time. I don't know if there's going to be too much of a move, but I'm going to hop on YouTube live, guys, and we're going to try to make some money, guys. Again, tomorrow, It's Black Friday. Our deal ends in 3 days. Use code Black Friday at checkout. 50% off monthly subscriptions, 70% off yearly subscriptions. Guys, I used to be lost in life. I never made a lot of money. I can help you. I'm not promising anything to anyone, but everything I've learned in the last decade, I'm giving this information to you guys. Sniper University, if you guys would like to be a part of it, the link is in the bio. Happy Thanksgiving. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see everyone tomorrow. Take care, guys.